Welcome back everyone. Now we are going to see the ammonolysis of alkyl halide. So as the name suggests, in this we are going to use the alkyl halide. So what we mean with the alkyl halide? The halide term represents X, which means either we are going to use chlorine, bromine or iodine. So whatever the reaction we are going to write, we're going to work on all these three. So this is chlorine, so we need to write capital C. Okay, and what about the alkyl? Alkyl is the R group that we have just seen, CH3 like things. So this is all about it. So just one word is remain to learn before we are jumping on to the reaction, which is ammonolysis. So my dear friend, what do you think ammonolysis is? Well, I have never pondered about it. So let's explore. So exploring the ammonolysis, we reach to a point. The process of cleavage of CX bond. We have a CX bond and this is formed by the ammonia, and that tells us about the ammonolysis. So what I mean here, it seems a little confusing, right? Let me give you a clear glimpse about this one. So when a nucleophile substitution reaction in which halogen atom is replaced by ammonia, that is known as ammonolysis. In short and simple, you can watch it like this. Like we have Rx and we are going to introduce here our ammonia thing, nitrogen thing. We can add S2, S3, something like this. So we are going to get X get separated with HX and we are going to write Rn. Maybe H, sometimes not, 1, 2, depends. But this is the overall case. So now I think you get the idea about that. Alright, my dear friend? So the basic idea about the ammonolysis tells about just one thing. Remove the X and add NH3. That's simple. Remove X, introduce N. That's it. That simple is the meaning of the ammonia. Now we are going to see that how we are going to form the new layers of ammonia. So let's watch it out. Let's take a reaction, something like chain-wise reaction. We are going to start with the 1 degree. That will be easy and convenient for us to learn. So RNS2 is going to give RNH. Let's write 2 in place of writing R dash. I'm writing R2NH. That will again going to give R3N, and if you go one more step, it will going to give you something really interesting. That will be R4NX, but this time this will surely be not that stable. There are the charges, so it will going to break down. So what we are taking here is HX, HX and HX. So this is the thing that we are going to use in 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, and we can name it quaternary or 4 degree. So this is our quaternary. I hope I have spelled it right. Let me know in the comments if my spelling is right or not. Well, it is anyway. Okay, so 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and quaternary. So what we have learned here actually, that we are removing the hydrogen by introducing the Rx. So excuse me for here, we have R here. Okay, so we have R here. Yeah, now it's perfect. Like something is happening here. R is getting introduced and one hydrogen will come up. R again one R introduced and H will come up with X. Again R is going to come up and there's nothing to introduce. So this also has to come up. This is the entire story. So what is coming up? In the first case, we have HX which is coming up as the side product. In this case, HX is coming either. In this space, as we do not have anything, so this is the quaternary product that we have got. So what we have just learned, why these side products are formed by this simple reaction, like you're taking RNH2 and you're reacting it with Rx and you're easily getting a very simple teeny tiny trick that HX is forming and we have RnR2 NH. So we are easily making the higher degrees of ammonia. So why the HX always form? Well, because H and X are stable, like HCl is one of the most stable acid and the strongest one either. Similarly, HBr and HI are also stable forms. So once you form a stable compound, the other compound is bound to become unless it is not disturbed in the middle way or using catalyst heat or something like that. So this is a very interesting phenomena. So what with the quaternary ammonia we have? I'm going to tell you the secret of the quaternary ammonia in the next one. So stick with me, stay tuned. God bless.